Here's a fire starting trick.
See what you do is you take a piece of paper, sheet of paper, and take a capful of sunflower oil. Dump that in there. Make sure all the oil is in there. And sort of just swish the oil around until it's a thin sort of layer on top of the paper. You can see this is coming along. Well, sort of coming along well. This may take a few minutes for it to fully thin out, so I'll just come back when it's done. Okay, all the oil seems to be thinned out and yeah, soaked in, so what we'll do is we'll crumble this up, or you can just fold it over a couple times really. And then the rest you can just crumble up, really. Alright. Sort of messy on your hands, but we'll go put it in the fireplace and see if it'll start a fire. Here's my homemade furnace. Let's light up the little fire starter we made. Light it up somewhere where the oil is not, because that gives it time for the oil to heat up. So you just drop the oil right in there and watch it go away. And it'll start cooking. Smells like burnt sunflower oil too. And the paper will burn off with that as well. So yeah, that's how you start a fire. Make an emergency fire starter. Alright, I'll see you next time, everyone.